Bile emulsifies fat and pancreatic juice digest carbohydrates and proteins. Final digestion takes place in intestine. Digested food is absorbed by the numerous finger-like folds in the inner wall of intestine called villi and microvilli. The undigested solid waste move into the rectum and passes out through cloaca. Frogs respire on land and in the water by two different methods. In water, skin acts as aquatic respiratory organ, cutaneous respiration. Dissolve oxygen in the water exchanged through the skin by diffusion. On land, the buccal cavity, skin, and lungs act as the respiratory organs. The respiration by lungs is called pulmonary respiration. The lungs are a pair of elongated pink-colored sac-like structures present in the upper part of trunk region, thorax. Air enters through the nostril into the buccal cavity and then to lungs. During estivation and hibernation, gaseous exchange takes place through skin. The vascular system of frog is well developed closed type. Frogs have a lymphatic system also. The blood vascular system involves heart, blood vessel, and blood. The lymphatic system consists of lymph channels, and lymph nodes. Heart is a muscular structure situated in the upper part of the body cavity. It has three chambers, two atria and one ventricles, and is covered by a membrane called pericardium. A triangular structure called sinus venosus joins the right atrium. It receives blood through the major veins called vena cava. The ventricles open into a sac-like conus arteriosus on the ventral side of the heart. The blood from the heart is carried to all part of the body by the arterial system. The vein collect blood from different part of body to the heart and from venous system. Special venous connection between liver and intestine as well as the kidney and lower parts of the body are present in the frogs. The former is called hepatic portal system and the latter is called renal portal system. The blood is composed of plasma and cells. The blood cells are RBCs, red blood cells, are erythrocytes, WBC, white blood cells, are leukocytes and platelets. RBCs are nucleated and contain red colored pigments, namely hemoglobin. The lymph is different from blood. It lacks few proteins and RBCs. The blood carries nutrients, gases, and water to the respective sites during the circulation. The circulation of blood is achieved by the pumping action of the muscular heart. The elimination of nitrogen base is carried out by a well-developed excretory system. The excretory system consists of a pair of kidney, ureter, cloaca, and urinary bladder. These are compact, dark red, and bean-like structures situated a little posteriorly in the body cavity on both sides of vertebral column. Each kidney is composed of several structural and functional units called urinary tubules or nephrons. Two ureters emerge from the kidney in the male frogs. The ureters act as the urogenital duct which opens into the cloaca. In females, the ureters and oviduct open separately in the cloaca. The thin-walled urinary bladder is present ventral to the rectum, which also open in the cloaca. The frog excretes urea through the ureotelic animals. Thus, it is a ureteric animal. Excretory wastes are carried by blood into the kidney where it is separated and excreted. The system for control and coordination is highly evolved in the frog. It includes both neural system and endocrine glands. The chemical coordination of various organs of the body is achieved by hormones which are secreted by the endocrine glands. The prominent endocrine glands found in frog are pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, pineal gland, pancreatic islets, adrenal, and gonads. The nervous system is organized into a central nervous system, brain and spinal cord, a peripheral nervous system, cranial and spinal nerves, and an autonomic nervous system, sympathetic and parasympathetic. There are 10 pairs of cranial nerves arising from the brain. Brain is included in a bony structure called brain box, cranium. The brain is divided into forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Forebrain includes olfactory lobes, paired cerebral hemisphere, and unpaired diencephalon. The midbrain is characterized by a pair of optic lobe. Hindbrain consists of cerebellum and medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata